So we're here today as part of the development testing for our brand new Sprint-Nav products, working on integration into Greensea and the VideoRay Defender platform, working with Atlantis Marine.
We are the UK dealer for VideoRay. We have a lot of their products, a lot of their technology, and for us, we're excited to assist with Sonardyne and kind of help test this small-scale INS DVL solution on our ROVs.
So it's a new variant of Sprint-Nav, and it's our smallest ever hybrid navigation platform. Really should be used for survey applications in and around kind of magnetic areas and bringing kind of full survey accuracy to applications and vehicles that couldn't do full survey before.
So at Atlantis Marine, we sort of specialise in the much smaller ROVs. We have the Sprint-Nav Mini also and find tremendous use from it. But this new product will allow our even smaller range of ROVs to be used in places where high magnetic environments cause a lot of disturbance. So we do a lot of internal work for, monopiles, etc., in North Sea, Irish Sea. And typically with the sort of the magnetic compasses, we find it's very hard to accurately estimate really where you are on the wind turbine. So if you want to present a defect that's in the north or the south or the east, we find that it's very difficult with a normal compass to allow that. With this new stuff, with the fiber optic gyros that are involved, we get a much more accurate idea of where we are. So when we want to come back in a year's time or 2 years' time, 3 years' time and see how that fault, that anomaly that we've got is evolving, it means we're much more precise and much more reliable with the position and of the fault that we're reporting to our customers. So yeah, huge bandwidth for use for this kind of product on small ROVs. So very excited by it.
So today we've got our Sprint-Nav mounted on the VideoRay Defender. So we've got a kind of custom designed skid for the bottom of the Defender, fits where the previous DVL solution was. And we've got our Sprint-Nav outputting our LNAV message straight into the Greensea platform. And what that's enabling is the vehicle to do position hold, station keeping, to follow tracks on the screen, and also to kind of roll and pitch hold for kind of precise maneuvering if you're connecting photogrammetry or you're inspecting an object. So super easy to set up straight into the Greensea software.
So this one, compared to the previous model that we also have, is physical, the real estate it takes and the weight. So for us, our purpose is we're often launching off the side of a vessel by hand, and it's quick response. It's, an operator, a wind farm operator or oil and gas platform operator has a problem, we want to get there and get the ROV in the water quickly. The idea that it's so much lighter, it's a big plus. I don't need a big crane to get it in. I don't need to install hydraulic davits and all that kind of stuff. It's a hand, deployment over the side, which often gets overlooked when things are designed for 4,000 meters or 6,000 meters. That kind of size and space gets overlooked, but having something of such a small form factor is a small ROV is a really big saver.
Yep. So they were some of the big design considerations when we did the C variant of Sprint-Nav. Trying to keep the weight as low as possible, so not just the weight in air, but also the weight in water. So we've got it to around ½ kilo of weight in water. So if we can get as close as possible to neutral buoyancy, it has kind of as little impact as possible on the other payload, the kind of the centers you put on that make you the money. So if you'd like to find out any more information, do check out our website, check out our socials, and get in contact with your local regional office, and we'll be happy to talk more.
And likewise, for any ROV inquiries, big or small, check out Atlantis Marine online, social media.